Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing great. In this short Python tutorial, I want to show you how you can define a start and end date for several data frames. For that, we are just going to import the package pandas as pd, and then we create a data frame 1, which starts at the 1st of January 2022 and ends at the 6th of January 2022. And then we also create a second data frame which contains rows from the 1st of January 2022 until the 5th of January 2022. Now we actually only want to select all the rows which are between a specific start and end date, so we want all the observations from the 2nd to the 4th of January 2022. We actually can do that for both data frames separately, so we can just define the new df1 as the df1.lock, so we just select all the rows we want with this condition within the brackets here. So we want that the date is bigger or equal the start date, so everything which is bigger than the 2nd of January, and also smaller or equal the end date. So we only want the dates which are equal to the start and end date and between. And what we get are all the rows between the 2nd and the 4th of January 2022. We also do that similarly for the data frame 2, but as you can imagine, if you have a lot of data frames, you don't want to do that for all the data frames separately. So there is actually an easy way to do that for all the data frames you have. In order to do that, you can just create a list of data frames, and then you can specify the start and end date for all the data frames together. So when we now specify this new data frame list, then we can, similarly as above, use this condition, and we do that for all the data frames which are in the DFS list. And what we actually get is the list down here. So we have the DFS new, which gives us this here, and you can see the data frame 1 is the first part and the data frame 2 is the second part. And when we now want to select the first data frame, we use the 0 just because Python starts counting from 0. And then for the second data frame, we just use the 1, and as you can see here, we get the desired output, so we only have the observations between the 2nd and the 4th of January 2022. If that video helped, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks a lot, and see you next time.